we have the deep research feature on Gemini, on ChatGPT, and also on Perplexity AI for quite some time now. And now, very recently, the European company Mistral AI just released their own deep research tool on their own AI tool called Lasha. And yes, it is actually pronounced Lasha, not like chat, because it is a French company. So apparently that's the proper way to pronounce the name of the product. But anyway, they just released their own deep research tool, and in some ways it is actually much better than the deep research tools on ChatGPT or Gemini. So in this video, I'll show you how you can use the deep research feature to do any research about anything on the Lasha AI tool. So first, you can navigate to chat.mistral.ai, and you'll see an interface that looks like this. And by the way, I do recommend to create a free account on Mistral because it will give you more quota to use their own AI tools. Now here, I think the UI is very much similar to ChatGPT or Gemini. So I think you will get used to this tool very quickly. And for this example, I'll try to do a research about solar panel trends in Western Europe. So that's going to be the topic of the research. And after that, you can click deep research right here. So every single month, if you're a free user on Mistral, you'll get 5 credits to do a high-speed deep research. After that, if you use all of your credits, you can still use the regular search, although it will take a lot longer. So that's one benefit of using the deep research tool on Lasha, because it offers a faster time to actually generate the research. That's one thing that I like about the deep research tool on Lasha. Now, here, after you send the topic, it will ask you about other things, like you can specify whether it is a specific industry or the time frame, etc. You can answer these questions, or you can tell AI to decide on its own. So I will tell AI it's your call to decide. So that's my answer, and send the message. And okay, so this is the overview that AI just offered to you. You can edit if you're not quite happy with this overview, or you can also just click start research and it will do the research pretty much instantly. Again, it's going to be a lot faster, not because the model is, inherently faster. They're using the Mistral model, which is really fast compared to, Gemini 2.5 Plus Pro. So also the architecture, the way it is actually doing the research is also just much better and much more efficient. And maybe another thing that I like about Mistral is that it will be able to read more than 100 pages pretty much easily. So this is one example of a research that I've done before on Lasha. As you can see, it reads over 200 pages. So that's a lot of pages. And you can also download the result as a PDF document. And this is one document that I just converted into a PDF format. And maybe another thing that I like about the result is it offers you the sort of summary at the beginning, so you can kind of get a bird's eye view of the document without actually reading the whole content. For comparison, this is the result using the same topic on Perplexity Deep Research. I think it's alright, but there is no summary at the beginning, and I would say the result from Mistral is just a bit cleaner. In Perplexity, you will see a lot of citation numbers right here at the end of a sentence or paragraph. But on the document from Mistral, there is no such thing. Although if you scroll to the very bottom, there is going to be a list of documents, or sorry, a list of pages that were used for the research. So I think personally, it's just much better, much cleaner than the one from Perplexity. So this process will usually take about 5 to 10 minutes, which is actually a lot faster than things like ChatGPT research or Gemini deep research. Those tools usually take about 20 to 40 minutes to do one deep research. So if you're looking for an AI tool that can do a research very quickly, then I do recommend using the deep research feature on Lasha. Anyway, this will take quite some time, and I'll just skip forward and show you the final result of this deep research. Okay, so the research is basically done, and it started at 5:19 p.m. and now it is 17:29, which means it's around 10 minutes to do the deep research, which is really fast compared to most AI tools like Gemini or ChatGPT, which takes about 30 minutes to complete. So overall, I like this one advantage. Now, if you want to download this as a PDF document, you can click the generate PDF button right here. So just click that button and it will open a new tab that contains the document. And after that, if you want to save this to your computer, you can click the download button right here and the file will be saved to your device. And that's basically how you can use the Lasha Deep Research tool to do any research about anything with impressively fast performance. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.